One of the new elements in Adaptable 18, the latest version of the AG-Grid extension from Adaptable Tools, is an interop io plugin. This replaces the previous Finsemble and Glue plugins, and it comes in the light of the merger of the two companies into interop io. And as we'll see, it maintains the same features in terms of notifications and FTC3. And it's worth pointing out that it supports both the io.connect products, io.connect desktop and io.connect browser, and you install the plugin and you manage it in exactly the same way. So how does it work? Well, here's an example. We're running in Windows, and we can see here we're using the io.connect browser. I'm running locally, and here I've set up two widgets in io.connect, one called Instruments, or we're saying this is our sender, as we'll see, and another one called Trades. Don't worry about the data, it's completely meaningless dummy data, but the idea behind it is in this grid here, we've got 14 instruments with nonsensical things called position, and here we've got some nonsensical trades, 400 altogether, but the key point is each of these trades has a ticker, and obviously you've got a ticker here in the instrument column. And why is that important? Well, the first thing we're going to look at is FTC3. Adaptable has a very, very rich FTC3 set of functionality. You can have FTC3 columns, you can easily raise and listen to intents, broadcast and listen to context. And in this example here, we have an FTC3 column, which has a button which is going to raise the view instrument intent. And in this grid here, we're going to listen to the intent and filter accordingly. So let's take this line here, Amazon. If I click the raise the view instrument intent, here we can see we've listened and we filtered on Amazon. And again, if I want to do the same for Intel, I'll raise the view instrument intent. And in this grid here, we listen to it and we filter on the 23 accordingly. So that's FTC3. And obviously there's a lot more in there. Interop io were one of the main companies behind FTC3, so they have very, very rich FTC3 functionality, which Adaptable taps into. So the two working together can provide an incredibly rich experience where you can communicate using just FTC3, both between numerous Adaptable instances and of course other widgets inside your io.connect framework. The other thing which you can do in Adaptable is we can make Adaptable alerts and notifications appear as interop notifications. So again, let me give you an example. In this grid here, we've created an alert. It's a very simple alert. It's a data change. It works on the position column, and it says if the new position is greater than 200, show me an alert, and I want a button called Show Me. So normally that would therefore appear inside Adaptable. But as we will see, if I change this one, so let me change this from 122 to 205, we get the alert, but now we get it here as an interop alert. But of course the Show Me button still works and I can see what happened. So let's do it again. Let's change 192 to 209. That will trigger the alert, and as we will see, that alert will be an interop io notification with all the buttons still appearing, but inside the interop notification, so that there it is. And again, when I click Show Me, it appears inside Adaptable. So there we are, FTC3 and notifications both work with the new interop io plugin. There's a lot more features as well that we can discuss at another time. But if you'd like to learn more about either Adaptable and the rich functionality we have, or interop io and how the two work together, please do get in touch. We'll be delighted to provide you with a free no obligation trial license so you can try out Adaptable for yourself, or to give you your own personalized demo. Thank you for watching.